Good morning. It rained this morning about 4:20 till about 5:30. Poured, and the tent is wet, but on the outside, but everything's dry inside, so it was great. But I have this nice little cloth thing that Swedish dishcloth, and just easily wipe the water off the outside of the tent and wring it out. Extremely speeds up the drying. So, as you can't see, lots of water. I'm gonna turn the phone around here. Yeah, still very nice. It's calm right now. It was windy for several hours, and then the wind died, and then the rain came. Good morning. Oh, I don't even know what time it is. What time is it?
It is.
Oh, the sun is peeking through.
It's a time. I don't know what the time
Sun
is.
just now. I'm going to turn the phone around. Just now started peeking through those
7:30.
clouds. Yeah. 7:30.
Yeah, I slept in.
I've been up since 4:20 when it started raining. Awake, I should say.
I went back to sleep for sure.
So the clouds on the horizon in that last shot is it. There's no clouds above us. So it's going to be a nice day. It was just that overnight rain. And I think that was what was in the forecast too. But so the tent held up great. Everything's dry inside. It's good. We got our tea.
Everything's not dry inside, but it's not because of the rain. This one
I spilled
decided...
water. This one yesterday spilled tea everywhere.
I did. I totally did. A whole cup of tea.
Mine was just water,
underneath
and
the
it
tent.
wasn't
it was
that much.
in the tent. It was everywhere. And this morning, he wasn't paying close enough attention to the jet boil, and it fell over. And I'm sitting, paying attention to my own self, handling stuff with my pack.
We didn't need
to
talk about this morning.
and I had a bag full of water from the jet boil.
Her back. Yes.
It
was
over
just
my
on her
back.
back. It was everywhere. Yeah. But, so it's going to be a nice day. We got about a 10-mile hike out. Not a lot of elevation change, and we're going to plow through the last of our food, except for the snacks. So pretty light packs, except the tent's going to be a little damp, probably. So it'll have a little bit extra weight. Yeah. Oh, that sun is looking nice. Very bright. Probably shouldn't look directly at the sun.
I have a favorite little tree.
You see the sun?
And it looks so pretty this morning with the water on it right there.
Let's flip around.
So all around us is burn area. And this tiny little tree is coming up out of the rocks just outside of our tent. And it's adorable with its little water on it now. My little tree is trying so hard.
Oh, that sun is bright. And we're back. Oh, okay. I need shade now. That is bright. Ooh. All right. We'll check in right before we leave. It's bright. It's really bright.
I have an idea.
What's your idea?
I'm going to double our water power.
Okay. It's
8:15.
Gray. And cold.
And the sun just went away.
Yeah, and it rained just a little bit. Enough to make the tent wet again. So, we got to start over. It's what time?
8:15.
Yeah. Luckily, we're not rushing. Okay.
Look, honey, I found dry ground.
Yeah. Here's our
It's the only dry ground in this
packs both have our rain covers on it. Well, I gotta get mine back on. Are you ready to go?
Yes.
Yes. Well, Claire has left me. She's on the trail. I'm gonna take one last look. So I don't think I explained on an earlier video, but we knew that the rain was part of the forecast. It was actually, the forecast was unsure. It was moving around a lot, but we actually wanted to camp in the rain and see how our gear performs. So we're happy about it. So we got out of camp late on purpose. It had been sprinkling. It's still kind of sprinkling a little bit right now. And but 10 miles of almost no up and down, 350 feet total, I think. Yeah. Got some wind. The wind makes it colder, but it's not that cold really, especially with full rain gear on.
It's raining. Okay, it's not a bad rain, but it is raining. So we're all decked out. I don't have rain pants on. I do have them. If it starts raining harder, maybe I'll change into them. But for now, I got my raincoat on. You can see the cloudy lake in the background. And there's B behind me in his rain suit. We're just enjoying the walk in the rain. We have a little bit of 90s music playing, and I don't know, my 90s pop music seems like good rainy day music to me today. Here's the so the lake was behind me on that side. You can't really see anymore, but there's Elbow Lake, where we lunched at yesterday. So, well, the rain's coming down heavier now, so I'm gonna put my phone away. See you later.
Off and on rain all day so far. Average speed right now is 2.8, but Claire pointed out that there's an uphill coming, so there's the lake. And here comes the rain again, just as I get the phone out.
Well, it is now about 10:50, and it has still been off and on rain. And we are still in burn area. Let me show you my view. Here's my view. Oh, look, it's a burn tree. More burn trees. Oh, look, it's the bee. And more burn, 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 and burn. Isn't that lovely? See? My rain cover is wet. And it's getting wetter. Okay, I don't know if it can get wetter. It's pretty wet. But it definitely started pouring again, so I'm gonna put my phone away again. See you later.
Man, I tell you, as soon as I pull out the camera, it starts raining.
Oh my goodness. I see sun. There's sun. My phone is wet because so if my video quality is crap, it's probably because there's probably water on the screen. But we are wet. Very wet. But I'm super happy to see even a speck of sun. Let me turn back around. There's still sun ahead of me. Alright, well, I'm gonna keep hiking because while there is a little bit of sun right now, there's still no place dry. Look at the path. It's all soaking wet. All the little puddles. So, see you later. I spoke way too soon about that nice little bit of sunshine I saw because it's raining again. And this is what I can see. Rain, rain, more rain. Hey B, what do you think about this rain?
I'm wet.
And look, more burn area and more rain. Time to steal my half of the protein bar that we have and continue hiking this hike. I think we're gonna stop at the shelter for a couple of minutes, and B's got a blister. We're gonna put a band-aid on and try to dry a little bit. I don't know, squeeze the excess water out of my socks and maybe change my pants and eat some more food. Anyways, talk to you later. See you down the trail. Vámonos.
Allons-y. He just bounded off. There he goes. Oh, there's a couple of them. Ooh. We made it to the shelter and there's a fire.
I'm cold and wet.
Yeah. Hanging some stuff out to dry a little bit here. We're gonna eat some food and warm up by the fire. Whew. And we've done 8.10 miles, 8.1 miles.
Yeah.
Average 2.6 miles per hour. Oh man. There's a little bit of blue sky up there. There you go. Changed my soaking wet clothes, my soaking wet shirt. My clothes are hanging up to dry, and Claire also changed her soaking wet clothes.
Yeah, I took my hiking pants off and put just my rain pants on, and I'm already a lot warmer. I took my wet hiking shirt off and put my my base layer on. It's cold. I'm cold.
Yes, it is 52 degrees and 88% humidity, and it's raining again outside.
No wonder I'm cold.
Yeah. Yeah.
I thought it was just because I was wet.
But that's a big part of it, wet, and I was sweaty because I was inside of rain gear. I took my rain pants off a while back because it was just so hot, and so my shorts are soaked, but I was much cooler that way. And it's not a big deal. My legs are a little bit wet. I don't think it would have changed the fact that my socks and shoes were soaked. So that's the only thing that's kind of bugging me. But I do have dry socks. We both have dry socks we're going to put on and then slip on our really wet shoes and head home back to the car. I'm hoping they dry though. Hoping they dry here for some at least.
My crazy husband using a trekking pole to hold himself up because he already nearly fell over.
Yeah.
Because he's trying to warm his feet up.
It works.
You missed it. I just put these toasty warm gloves on. And then it's like putting clothes on right out of the dryer when you're cold. It was nice.
We're getting close. When there's just a little bit left, we're going to leave. Because that's how it was when we got here. It was just a little bit of wood burning, and we got it going. We're back on trail. It's 2:17 p.m. It's 53 degrees and 82.5% humidity. So it's still sprinkling a little bit, but I think the day is warming up and pushing back the moisture a little bit, hopefully. But just under 2 miles, 1.95 miles back to the trail. And we are highly motivated to get this done. All right. Claire's booking it. She wants to get back to the car. So, me too. And that's Shadow Bay, and over there, the other side, is the boat launch and our car. Yeah, not far now. And I stopped to do a little picture, and Claire's gone. Just gone. There's the boat launch. Cannot see the parking lot.
Bridge number 10, bridge.
There's the car. Made it.
We made it! And it's still raining! But we're here. Let's go find out how much our packs weigh.
Okay. All right. Let's see.
So our packs should weigh some weird numbers this time because the packs themselves are wet. And I know in my pack, I have my hiking pants that I normally wear that are soaking wet in there. 2204. We also both have our regular hiking shirts soaking wet in our packs. Because when we stopped at the shelter, we took a lot of wet stuff off. 2204!
Are you kidding me?
No!
Okay, let me try it again.
$22.04.
Yeah. It's 2:53, and it's 53 degrees still, and 87% humidity. And we did 9.84 miles today. Average moving speed 2.7.
2.7 is not bad for us. We normally do somewhere between 2 and 2.5.
403 feet up and 484 feet down because we were much higher than the lake when we started. And yeah, so I'm ready to go home.
We're going to go change into some dry clothes.
Still raining.
And then we're going to get some food on the way out.
Yes.
So we will see you on our next trip. Until then, vamonos!
Bye.